Hi, today we are unboxing GL.iNet's new product, Puli. Puli is a full GL-LTE wireless router. This product is designed for us to do our own IoT projects. All of GL.iNet's routers have built-in OpenWrt and VPN encryption for security. So getting to the unboxing. First, all I have to do here is remove the sleeve. Then we take the top off the box. Here we have a welcoming card. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we see the instructions on how to set up the device. It's pretty basic and we'll walk you through it. Then we see our Puli, and the box next to it contains the cables. We have an Ethernet cable, an adapter, and converters depending on your shipping country. On Puli, we have the display in the front. On the top, we have the on and off button, the reset button, and a USB 2.0 port. On the side, we have the LAN and WAN ports and the power supply. To set up the router, insert the charger to the power socket to charge the router. The light in the front displays the battery status. There are two ways to set up the router. The first method is to use a nano SIM card. Slide to open the cover. Insert an activated nano SIM card. Press the power button to turn on your device. And wait for 1 minute until the Wi-Fi display light turns on. On your computer, search and connect to your Puli's SSID. Enter the default password, which is printed on the back of the Puli. Then open the browser and enter the admin panel, 192.168.8.1 to configure the router. After you log in, choose a language and choose a new admin password. If you have set up correctly, you will see your service provider and your IP address. If not, please click Auto Setup. The second method is to connect the Ethernet cable from your Puli's LAN port to the computer. Press the on button until the LAN display light turns on. On your computer, open the browser and enter the admin panel, 192.168.8.1 to configure your router. After you log in, choose a language and choose a new admin password. If you are using a LAN connection, plug the Ethernet cable to your modem and connect it to your Puli's WAN port to provide your router with internet connection. If you have set up correctly, the WAN display light will blink. Your cable status icon in the admin panel will appear green. You can also manage all your GL.iNet routers on your Good Cloud platform. If you want to learn more about the specs, please check out the link in the description. Thank you.